What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jesus from Watch the Matter with me, coming at you with another episode. Today I'm going to be talking about some merch that I got. I want to show you guys and display to you guys what Wraven is doing. Another local watch enthusiast. Support those who support you. Support those in your community. So I have that for you. Can't wait to see it and show you guys. And I also have a little bit of a sad, moment, but it is what it is. It's one of those situations where I really don't have a choice. I have the watches that I will be getting rid of in order and for me to bring you guys microbrand content. Like I said, I don't get paid for this. I do this because I think it's fun. I think because it's my hobby, something I love and enjoy. I bring you guys independent watch content and reviews. So these are some of the watches I will be selling, unfortunately, to keep making that happen for you guys. Of course, little wrist check. Got my Bayer S5 here. Put it on the steel strap, and I'm loving it. That review coming to you guys in a couple weeks. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go close up to the merch and to the watches so you guys can take a look. But like I said, guys, and I tell you guys in every video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel tremendously. Comment, leave impressions. That helps push it to the algorithm. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. If you're coming back, and thank you if this is your first time here. Please like and subscribe. Now let's get started. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna start off with the Wraven unboxing here. Super impressive packaging here. Let me flip this over. Oh yeah, check this out. Oh yeah, look at that sticker. Killer sticker we got here. Super awesome. Another Wraven sticker. Welcome to Wraven. Thank you. Like anything Wraven puts out, we obsess over craft and design. We hope you enjoy your shirt for years to come. Here it is, guys. So now that I spoiled it, now you know what it is. Look at this packaging, though. This packaging is awesome. Oh, another sticker. Sweet. Check that. Oh, this material looks awesome, guys. This material feels awesome. But we're not here for that. We're here for the design and for the support of the community. And check that out, guys. That is freaking awesome. This shirt feels awesome, and I'm happy for the purchase. I'm happy that I got to support somebody in my community, and I hope you guys. I will link their information or his information on my video so you guys can tap in. Here it is, guys. The material feels great. The design is great. This is what got me. This design's absolutely phenomenal in my opinion. I love American traditional tattoos, and this just looks great. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys go and support and purchase one yourselves. Here it is. Let's get to the watches now. Alrighty, guys, this is the second part to the video. Unfortunately, these are the watches that are gonna leave the collection. Like I said, I'm trying to bring you guys independent, good reviews of microbrands. That's what I said I wanted to do this year. That's what my goal was, to experience and bring to you guys more microbrands and reviews on them. But these are it. These are the ones that are gonna leave the chat, unfortunately. And let me go by one by one. So start off, this one's still in the maybe category. This is my Universal Genève that I got recently. I actually picked this up recently, got it serviced, got it fixed. But my wife likes it, so it might stay in the collection for a little bit. But for sure, here is my Timex reissue. This is going to be leaving the collection, unfortunately, and it's actually pre-sold already. I have a gentleman that's going to pick this up. One of my friends, Manny, one of my watch friends / college mates, got this one sold for me. So thanks, Manny. Shout out to Manny. And that brings me to these two. The Orient is sold, and so is the Seiko 5. These are going to the same home. They're going to the same person, to my buddy Manny. Shout out to Manny. He's going to get these two. He promised me that if he ever got rid of the Orient, he'd come back and sell it to me. So I appreciate that. Then the next watch on the chopping block we have here is my Seiko XKX 173 that I picked up not too long ago. I mean, I love the watch. It's a great watch. It's built like a tank. But unfortunately, it's taking up some of my funding. So I might as well sell it, make it go to a good home. It's running great. And finally, not finally, but we also finally we got this Gruen that I have. Nice vintage Gruen that I picked up at the pawn shop. It was working, not no more, but I mean I can get a couple bucks for that. Same thing with this watch here. This Longines, pretty cool little watch and a pretty cool little bracelet. It's like a woman's watch, and like it was also running and just suddenly stopped running, but I can get a few bucks for that. But these are it. These are the watches I'm gonna get rid of, and to hopefully keep funding this independent, this watch review series that I'm hoping to bring to you guys. I currently got on my Veyer, like I told you guys, the S5. Made an unboxing video on this watch a couple days ago. But there it is, guys. I hope everybody has a great night, has a great day. Please like, follow, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.